Hello everyone. I think it has been a while since I've updated myself about cryptocurrencies, and I thought probably this is a good time for an update. And if you guys have not already been following the news, you probably might have known that Bitcoin is now in a total slaughterhouse. It has literally dropped 50% from its high at one point, which is 20,000. Now, as of February 4th, we are at 9,300. It definitely hurts a lot, only because I know people who have bought it at the high 17,000, 20,000, and only to see it just crashing after that. So I definitely feel for you guys who have bought it at those prices, and I just thought I would like to share some news about what's been happening and my thoughts and actions going into this further. You guys will probably already know Bitcoin futures, Bitfinex Scandals, Bitconnect, and the Chinese and Korean government really tightening their grip on cryptocurrencies. Botnet, Infects, 500,000 servers to mine thousands of Monero. More than 500,000 machines have been hijacked by a cryptocurrency miner, Botnet, forcing them to mine nearly 9,000 Monero tokens worth roughly 3.6 million, according to a news report. But of course, this is just what you get when you buy into something that's so new. Obviously, what other people have been speculating on is that Bitcoin is probably the biggest bubble in history, according to economists who predicted the 2008 crash. That's something you guys should take into consideration when buying into something so new like this. It could be a crash. It could be the biggest Ponzi scheme in our entire human race. Who knows, right? On the more positive side, Samsung confirms it's now making cryptocurrency mining chips. Canadian approved country's first blockchain ETF. Chinese retail giant JD.com joins blockchain in Transport Alliance. Sorry, my camera died earlier. Let me continue. Who launches blockchain Observatory with Ethereum startup? Cheetah Mobile launches cryptocurrency wallet. Also good news. Line Pay app to launch cryptocurrency services as well. So amidst so much bad news that's happening in terms of trust and confidence in Bitcoin, there are, on the flip side to it, also interesting news in the cryptocurrency space. I think it's still going to be an interesting time for us. Bank of America, JP Morgan banned credit crypto purchases. They reportedly no longer enable customers to purchase Bitcoins with credit cards starting in February, due to credit concerns about the credit risk of those who make purchases through their credit cards. I think it's a good move what Bank of America, JP Morgan is doing. Because if more people start using credit to buy the cryptocurrencies, the moment people can't pay the banks back on the losses that they have on cryptocurrencies, it's just going to end badly. Some of Bitcoin's biggest backers even warned the euphoria had gotten out of hand, which I think was very true. Just looking at the price go from 10, 15, 17 to 20,000, I was already feeling uncomfortable. I really had a strong feeling I wanted to get rid of some of my Bitcoin, because to this day I have not cashed out any. I think it was a little bit of greed per se when I saw the price just kept shooting up and shooting up. I wanted to hold it and sell it at its highest. That newbie mistake, obviously, and just looking at how the price crashed down to 7,000 at one point made me, my heart really sank. And I was still at a positive in general, because I bought it when it was 3,000, 4,000. But I think it came when I saw the market crash. I a gut told me, I told you so. But I think that's something we've always been playing out by itself, whether to sell it now or to sell it later. And it's very hard to identify whether what we're thinking about is based on personal interest, greed, or just confusion. I think it's a mixture of everything, obviously, but I think just looking at how it has crashed like that, I have decided to sell some of my Bitcoin just to get back the initial investment, maybe take a little bit of profits from that, and just start playing with house money. And it pains me that I didn't sell some of it at 15,000, but that's what you get. That's how that's just how it is in general. And I think I just have to look at it in the sense that I've already made 200 to 300% gains, and I shouldn't be greedy. And just just be happy with what I have. I wish you guys all the best, and I will see you again soon.